Let's explore on how to receive money on PayPal without a bank account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in PayPal, you might want to click on the sign up for a free account button here. Click on it. And as you can see, you can choose from personal, wherein you can shop online from millions of global sellers, or you can choose a business account. You can send and receive payments under a business name, and that means you can receive money as well on a PayPal without a bank account. And for this video, you might want to choose the personal account when you click on next. All you're gonna do is just follow the on-screen instructions, and then you are all set. Now, once you are on your PayPal account, receiving money without a bank is possible, though it might have some limitations. Now, there are some ways you can do it, and one of the ways is simply give the sender your email address or phone number, and they can send you money using either of these details, and PayPal will send a message telling you that it's available. Now, there's two options for you to do it. As you can see, there's an option here in the very top, we're in send and request, and you also have an option here on the send and request. Now let's take the option here at the very top, click on it, and from here all you're gonna do is click on the request money so that you can receive money on your PayPal without needing a bank account. All right, click on it. And all you're gonna do, as you can see, you can request multiple payments from up to 20 people. Say that's gonna be your boss, your client, a company, or an agency. It doesn't matter. All you're gonna do is provide the name, the username, especially they are a PayPal user. You can also put some email here or mobile number. Now, say for example, we're looking for a specific username like this one right here. If that's available, that's going to be auto-populate here, and you can just click on it, right? Now, the question is, for how long to receive money with PayPal? So it depends on the source of the money you're receiving. Say, for example, if the sender is giving you money, right, from a PayPal balance or a debit card, any funds should reach your account within a few minutes, right? Now, we can also get more ways to request. You can create an invoice, or you can create a personal profile and get paid from people you know. Now let's get to the home page again. Click on home, and as you can see, you also have an option here to request. Apart from using this option, click on it, and you would be directed to the same page. Now, if the money is coming from a linked bank account, it may take between 2 or 3 business days depending on the bank, since it has to clear the bank itself. Because of this, it's sometimes slower to receive money from PayPal compared to a normal bank transfer. And if you would receive basically an email notification that obviously you receive a money here in PayPal, and if you want to cash that money out on yourself, if you don't want to use a bank in that situation because you don't have a bank, you can transfer it to a cash platform. There's a lot that you can choose, but for now, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.